We know so many working families really depend on, high quality after school programs where their kids, can stay at school throughout the workday. Those would have been cut.
The San Diego Unified School District is avoiding disruptions from a recent federal funding freeze that appears to be thawing out. SDUSD Board of Education Vice President Richard Barrera says the district stood to lose $13 million.
Many school districts really had to scramble because the money was supposed to be released at the beginning of the summer and it wasn't.
The money supports after-school programs, teacher training, and services for English language learners and migrant students. As a second-grade bilingual teacher and Fallbrook Union High School District Board President, Oscar Caralampio attributes his success to some of these programs.
I had teachers who didn't share my cultural background or my economical background growing up, but they still reached out regardless of, our differences, right? They reached out and they saw potential in me.
Caralampio says not receiving the more than $500,000 could have potentially impacted all of the district's roughly 2,000 students.
You're talking about an impact on opportunity for students to take the practice SAT at a high school. And that is huge. I mean, if you can't offer that to our kids, it's going to impact, their ability to perform better.
A spokesperson for Poway Unified says the fiscal impact to that school district is over $1 million, noting they did not have plans to discontinue programs in the 25-26 school year. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Education is still withholding funds after releasing a portion in July while reviewing their use. The rest will be released at the beginning of October as a result of a lawsuit against the Trump administration by a coalition of states, including California and Washington, D.C.
People who care about schools really standing up and saying it's wrong to withhold funds, and it's especially wrong to withhold funds that Congress had already appropriated.
Reporting for Fox 5 News, I'm Jennifer Franco.